Friends, today we are going to discuss about study of single phase circuits. First we will start with purely resistive circuit. Already we know the definition. Resistance is defined as the opposition offered by the material to the flow of current through it. Resistance definition we already know, and this is the circuit. Figure shows the purely resistive circuit. The resistance R is connected across a sinusoidal voltage V to carry a sinusoidal current I. So this is the given circuit. This circuit only purely resistor is connected and a sinusoidal AC voltage source is connected. So the result current flowing in this circuit is purely sinusoidal current. So now we'll see, this is voltage equation. Applied voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Then by Ohm's law, we already know Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Therefore I is equal to V by R. Therefore current I is equal to V by R. Already we know V is equal to Vm sin omega t by R, that is Im sin omega t, where this Im is nothing but Vm by R. Here it is given as Im is equal to Vm by R. If RMS voltage V and RMS current I are taken, I is equal to Im by root 2 and V is equal to Vm by root 2. Already we know the relationship between RMS and maximum. If I substitute here, I is equal to Im by root 2, whereas I is equal to V by R, that is Vm by root 2 into R. There this Vm by root 2 is nothing but Vrms, that is V by R. This is Ohm's law. From the figure, phase difference is seen, that is V is equal to Vm sin omega t, and from the equation I is equal to Im sin omega t. If you observe these two, voltage and current, the phase angle between voltage and current are 0. The phase difference is 0. That means voltage and current are in phase. Okay. So if the phase difference is 0, then from the definition of power factor, the power factor is cos phi. If phi value is 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, that is unity. So what is the conclusion? For a purely resistive circuit, the power factor is unity. Then we will come to discuss the concept of power. Already we know the power, the instantaneous power is nothing but product of voltage and current. Here V is equal to Vm sin omega t and I is equal to Im sin omega t. If I multiply this, Vm into Im by sin omega t into sin omega t, that is sin square omega t. So therefore I write Vm by Im by this 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. How it comes? See, now we'll see. Power P is equal to V into I. This is Vm sin omega t into Im sin omega t. So this is Vm into Im into sin omega t into sin omega t, sin square omega t. So I have one formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From this, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So in place of sin square theta, I can write 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Same, in place of sin square omega t, I can write Vm Im into 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. So I can write this as Vm Im by 2 into 1 minus cos 2 omega t. So this is Vm Im by 2. If we multiply this into inside, minus Vm Im by 2 into cos 2 omega t. This is the equation for power. If you observe, this is one term and this is another term. Okay. So we have this equation, Vm Im by 2 minus Vm Im into cos 2 omega t. The equation shows that the waveform of power is a constant value Vm Im by 2 with a double frequency sinusoidal power. This is double frequency. Why? Because 2 omega t. So 2 omega t, this is a double frequency term. The waveform of P also shown in the figure. The average of the second term. This second term value, what about this? This second term value is 0. So therefore P is equal to, I can write this as Vm by root 2 into Im by root 2. So Vrms is equal to, already Vm by root 2 means what is this? Vrms value. Vrms into Im by root 2 is Irms. Also I can write capital V into capital V. Therefore the power in terms of RMS values is RMS, the product of RMS voltage into RMS current. Okay. So I can write the expression for power V into I or V square by R over R. I can write this as I square into R. The units are watts. Okay. So this is the expression for active power. P is equal to V into I, either product of voltage into current, V square by R, or I square into R, or VI cos phi watts. Reactive power. What is the definition for reactive power? Reactive power Q is equal to, I can write V into I into sin phi. Already we know that for a purely resistive circuit, the phase angle is 0. If I substitute phase angle 0 here, what about sin 0? 0. Then what about reactive power? 0. So what is the conclusion from this? For a purely resistive circuit, the reactive power is 0. The active power P is equal to V into I. This is about purely resistive circuit. Here we have shown some waveforms. So if you observe the waveforms, this waveform is a voltage waveform. This waveform is voltage waveform. The given voltage waveform, that is V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Okay. Next, if you observe the current waveform, the current waveform is this one. So it is I is equal to Im sin omega t with some reduced magnitude. Here the voltage magnitude peak value is Vm. Why? Because we have taken V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Similarly, I is equal to Im sin omega t. Here this Vm and this M are maximum values or peak values. So for a voltage waveform, this is a peak value. For a current waveform, this is a peak value. And the product of voltage and current gives your power. This is Vm Im. This is the equation for waveform for power. So this is the actual reactive power. This is Vm into Im by 2. This is a total Vm Im, but from the equation we already know the power P is equal to Vm Im by 2. So this is the halfway value. So this value is the real power. This is about the purely resistive circuit analysis. If a circuit consisting of only resistor, purely resistor, if you apply, so what are the conclusions from there? For the first conclusion is the active power P is equal to V into I. Second conclusion is the reactive power is 0. What is the third conclusion? Power factor is 1 or unity. And the fourth one is, what is the fourth one is reactive power 0, power factor is unity. The fourth one is in phase. The fourth one is a in phase one. That means both voltage and current are in phase. Okay. Thank you.